Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable low power mode on your Mac. It's a super easy process, so let's get started. First things first, head up to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Okay, now that you're in System Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Battery. Go ahead and click on that. Great. At the very top, you'll see the low power mode option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you can choose when you want low power mode to be activated. You can select Always, Only on Battery, or Only on Power Adapter. For this example, I'm going to choose Only on Battery. While you're here, I also recommend clicking the little eye information icon next to Battery Health. This is a handy place to check your battery's current health and also to toggle on Optimized Battery Charging, which is generally recommended to keep your battery in good shape. Once you're happy with your settings, just click Done, and you can close out of System Settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled low power mode on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.